Now dear students, now we'll discuss about the chromosomal disorders. You know, chromosomal disorders classified into numerical chromosomal disorders, structural chromosomal disorders. In among the numerical chromosomal disorders, autosomal numerical disorders such as Down syndrome, Patau syndrome, Edwards syndrome. In case of X-linked numerical disorder, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. In structural chromosomal disorder are the Kajusar syndrome, Fragile X syndrome. So in this lecture today I will discuss about the Down syndrome and Turner syndrome. These are the features of Down syndrome. Before I will discuss about the Down syndrome, I will tell about some point about the chromosomal disorders. Two types of chromosomal disorders: chromosomal number problem, that is numerical disorders. This autosomal numerical disorders, trisomy 21 or Edwards syndrome or Patau syndrome. In numerical sex chromosomal disorders are Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. In structural defective chromosomal disorders, the deletion syndrome is called the Kajusar syndrome and Fragile X syndrome. Now problems with chromosomal structure: deletion, inversion, translocation, duplication. This is not important for you. Now problems with chromosome number. Monosomy means only one of a particular type of chromosome is affected, and trisomy means having three of a particular type of chromosome, and polyploidy means having more than two sets of chromosome. Now trisomies. Numerical autosomal disorder, trisomy 21 is Down syndrome, trisomy 18 is Edwards syndrome, trisomy 13 is Patau syndrome. So what are the numerical autosomal disorder? Trisomy 21, trisomy 18, trisomy 13. Now Down syndrome is a numerical autosomal disorder characterized by the presence of an extra autosome on chromosome number 21, either whole or in a part. Occurs in three ways: chromosomal non-disjunction, which is produced standard trisomy 21, it is 95%. Robertsonian translocation Down syndrome is 4%. Mosaicism, this mosaic Down syndrome, it is 1%. Now, three types of Down syndrome: standard trisomy, translocation Down syndrome, mosaic Down syndrome. In standard trisomy is 21 is more common, 95%. Karyotype is 47 XY plus 21 or 47 XX plus 21. So both male and female may be affected. Translocation Down syndrome 4%, karyotype 46XY, and translocation occurs between the 21 chromosome and 14 chromosome. So it is 46XYT 1421 or 46XYT 1421. Mosaic Down syndrome 1%. The karyotype is 46XY, that is normal cell line, and 47XY plus 21, that is abnormal cell line. So there is mixture of normal cell line and mixture of abnormal cell line. Now standard trisomy 21. It is numerical autosomal disorder characterized by the presence of an extra autosome on chromosome number 21 during first meiotic cell division in ovum or sperm. Incidence more common, 1:500 to 700. Most common chromosomal disorder, more common in increased maternal age, that is more than 40 years mother, give rise to risk is 1:28, that is risk is 1 in 28 pregnancy. And due to aging and over ripening of the ova, virus infection, that is infection hepatitis, thyroid antibodies and genetic predisposition, these give rise to increased incidence of Down syndrome in older mother. cytogenetics or pathogenesis of trisomy 21. Non-injection of chromosome pair 21 during first meiotic cell division in ovum or sperm. You know there is two type of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. This meiosis have again first meiotic division, second meiotic division. This meiotic division cell division occurs in the ovum or sperm. So there is non-injection of chromosome pair 21 during first meiotic division give rise to trisomy 21. So 3 copies of 21 instead of 2 and give rise to 47 number of chromosome. Origin of supranumerary 21 chromosome, maternal 75% and paternal 24%. These are the homologous autosome pairing occurs along with X chromosome. It is the gender is female. So if in meiotic cell division, type 1 meiotic cell division, if there is disjunction occurs at the level of 21 chromosome, so whole chromosome goes to the one gamete and another gamete contains lack of another 21 chromosome. So if give rise to 23 chromosomes autosome plus 1 X chromosome. If this gamete fertilized with normal sperm give rise to 47 XX plus 21. So normally two homologous autosomes of any pair separate and pass into the different gamete during first meiotic cell division in ovum or sperm. But if failure to separation or non-disjunction of autosomes at second 22 pair, both members of pairs passed into the same gamete and these gamete when fertilized with normal gamete, resulting gamete have additional chromosomes give rise to trisomy 21. Now these are the clinical features. Standard trisomy 21 translocation down have been same clinical features. That is, trisomy 21 and translocation down have same clinical features. A mosaic pattern has minimal feasible criteria. Diagnosis at birth, appearance or mongoloid appearance is constant. Loose skin on the nape of the neck, it is called redundant skin. Short neck, puffiness of hand and feet, chenodactyly and simian crease. So you can easily diagnose at birth. These are the features in the mild microcephaly, brachycephaly, that is flat occiput. This is the frontal bushing, depressed nasal bridge, medial epicanthic fold, and small nose, which is this appearance called the mongoloid appearance. And if you examine the eye, you may also get the bursitis. If you examine the head, small head examination, small head microcephaly. There is also the widely open anterior and posterior pantanae. If you examine the ears, low set ear, small deformed ear, eyes, burst iris, congenital cataract, acquired cataract, squint, nystagmus, repeated error. So, in addition to mongoloid appearance, if you examine the ear, low set ear, small deformed ear, and other findings of eyes are burst iris, congenital cataract. Now, mouth cavity, protruded tongue, it is called macroglossia with open mouth due to small mouth cavity. Fissured tongue, which is called the scrotal tongue, also seen in geographical tongue due to continuous sucking between the lips and tongue. So, tongue becomes fissured. Higher palate, Thus sometimes there is some teeth abnormalities, that the delayed dentition is always present, small teeth, malposition, enamel hypoplasia. Neck, short, short and broad neck, redundant skin, hands and feet, simian crease, single palmar crease, 50% normally present, 50% cases may present, are normally present 2 to 5% cases. Short broad hand, kinodactyly, that is incurving of little finger towards the ring finger due to hypoplasia of the middle phalanx, and it is seen in the X-ray of the hand, X-ray of the hand. Increased gap between first and second tooth, which is called a sandal gap, and skin create at this, there is the skin crease at this point. If male genitalia are micropenis, that keep torcadism, and skin shows the cutis marmorata. This is the hand, and a short and broad hand, single simian crease, transverse crease, kinodactyly due to incurving of the little finger. This feet, there is the sandal gap, and during this gap there is the crease, the wide gap between the first and second tooth. The general features: mental retardation, IQ 20 to 70 always present but non-specific. There may growth retardation, hypotonia, they are fond of music, developmental delay, autistic behavior, delayed secondary sexual characters. Remember, male is infertile but female are fertile. Development of Alzheimer's disease after 24 to 30 years. Now, associated with congenital anomalies, the endocardial cushion defect, atrioventricular septal defect more common. So, what are the most common congenital heart disease in Down syndrome? Asked in Viva board, your answer is endocardial cushion defect. Next one in BSD, and second term ASD, PDA top. In GI Tech, congenital malformation, duodenal atresia, Hirschsprung disease, anorectal malformation, annular pancreas, it is more common. And others, tracheal fistula, celiac disease, neonatal cholestasis. Now, associated problem or disease: immune dysfunction, recurrent respiratory infection, autoimmune disorder. Endocrine disorder, hypothyroidism may be congenital. Usually congenital, may be acquired. Hyperthyroidism, hypogonadism, diabetes mellitus, obesity. Orthopedic problems: joint laxity, give rise to atlantoaxial subluxation, neck hyperextension or extreme flexion, misalignment of the first cervical vertebra, spinal cord injury, and sudden death. And there may hip disorder, distortion of hip joint, slip capital femoral epiphysis, avascular necrosis of the hip. Risks of development of cancer: hematological disorder, acute leukemia 10 to 20 times more common to develop, more chance to develop, less than 1 year AML, more than 1 year AL. Sometimes patient may develop the macrocytic leukemia. Solid tumors, neuroblastoma, nephroblastoma may develop. In respiratory problem, obstructive sleep apnea, increased incidence of pneumonia due to decreased immunity, muscular hypertonia, associated congenital heart disease. And among the bowel problem, that is constipation, it may be due to hypotonia, hypothyroidism, intestinal atresia, or Hirschsprung disease. Now, complications of Down syndrome: recurrent respiratory infections, mental retardation, increased incidence of leukemia, hypothyroidism, hip dislocation, atlantoaxial subluxation, give rise to sudden death, celiac disease. Complications related to associated congenital malformation abnormalities: cardiovascular, heart failure, intestinal obstruction, development of Alzheimer's disease after 25 to 30 years of age. Now, investigations is clinically diagnosed, but for confirmation diagnosis and to see the complication, some investigation done. Investigation for confirmatory diagnosis, karyotyping, trisomy 21, translocation, mosaics, and investigation for associated anomalies, T3, T4, TSS, it is hypothyroidism, access ECG echo for congenital heart disease, complete blood count, acute leukemia, ophthalmoscopy examination for cataract, brush pill iris, X-ray hand for hypoplastic middle phalanx of little finger, celiac disease to celiac panel for celiac disease, and Berry anemia or rectal suction biopsy if Hirschsprung disease suspected. These are the karyotyping. Karyotyping and is 21 chromosome contains 3 chromosomes. So it is Down syndrome, trisomy 21. This is the mongoloid appearance. Frontal bushing, parietal bushing, small nose with different nasal beads, medial epicanthic port. This is hypertelorism. This is wide space eye. Here, mongoloid slant, upper slanting of the eye not developed, protruded tongue. This gives rise to mongoloid appearance. Now, treatment counseling about the disease associated problem, explain the mental and physical handicap, delayed puberty, importance that male sterile, female are fertile, genetic counseling for risks of recurrence. Specific treatment, no specific treatment, and it is supportive treatment. Among the supportive treatment, early and regular stimulation, exposure to games and music for development or for early developmental milestone, special education, occupational training, treatment of other associated illness such as cardiac problem, infection, thyroid hormone replacement therapy, hypothyroidism. Now, follow-up of Down syndrome, congenital heart disease, 50% risk of congenital heart disease. So, should be followed at birth, young adult and young adult age. Hypothyroid screening at birth, repeat at 6 to 12 months and annually, and vision problem screening at birth at 6 months of age then annually for cataract, nystagmus, strabismus, repeated error. For hearing test, risk for hearing loss at birth 3 months of age, then every 6 months up to 3 years, then annually. And celiac disease usually started 2 years of age, or if symptomatic, IgA and tissue transglutaminase antibody. After sleep apnea, 1 year of age and his visits. And there is atlantaxial subluxation occurs in 30% cases, and screening for his visits from history and examination, and 3 to 5 years radiologically when develop signs symptoms of neck pain, torticollis, and disturbance in gait and weakness of the lower limb. Hematological disease follow-up at birth, adolescence, or when symptomatic, risks of polycythemia, leukemia less than 1%, and sometimes patient develop leukemia reaction. And growth and development should be monitored, is visit, and should use the Down syndrome growth curve. Now, prognosis of Down syndrome is life expectancy good in absence of congenital heart disease, average life expectancy 50 to 55 years, death rate first year 20%, 60 years 45%, and development of Alzheimer's disease usually 25 to 35 years, and prevention, genetic counseling, antenatal diagnosis. Now, questions asked: how can a counselor genetic counseling the patient's risk of recurrence? Risk increases with maternal age. If maternal age 20 years, risk is 1 in 1526. If 30 years, 1 in 909. And if mother age is 35 years, risk is 1 in 384. If maternal age is 45 years or more, risk is 1 in 28. Risks of translocation down in subsequent live birth after karyotyping of the both affected child and parents. Each child is affected and types of translocation is 14/21 and parents carrying balanced translocation. If mother carries balanced translocation, chance of recurrence is 10%. And father, if carries the balanced translocation, chance of risk of offspring to 2.5%. If none carry the balanced translocation, risk is less than 1%. But if affected child have 21/21 translocation, the risk of future offspring is 100%. Now, how can you diagnose the Down syndrome antenatally? Is asked in a Viva board. Is by the maternal serum marker by the IgE, alpha fetoprotein and unconjugated stool and beta HCG and inhibin. This is the quad scan. And if in quad scan alpha fetoprotein unconjugated stool decrease and beta HCG and inhibin increase, the diagnosis is 80% in 80% of Down syndrome. Also, it should be done by the coronary villus sampling, amniocentesis. Coronary villus sampling done at 10 to 12 weeks of gestation, and amniocentesis done at 16 to 20 weeks gestation. For fetal cell study for chromosomal analysis and karyotyping done, and amniocentesis study for alpha fetoprotein. So, dear students, I will elaborately discuss the Down syndrome because it is asked in Viva board and give in short cases. So you should read thoroughly and easily. I think you will easily give the answer in Viva board. Thank you for patient hearings.